guys, welcome back to my channel. So today, as you guys can see by the title, I'm going to share with you what is in my diaper bag, my overnight hospital diaper bag. So honestly, this could all probably fit in this one bag, which, oh, you guys, I'm obsessed with this bag. It's so fabulous. Isn't it like the chicest? It's also a backpack too. It's got tons of stuff in here. I also have this one. So this is Chris's diaper bag. I know what you're thinking. You're like, extra AF girl, you do not need that. But I want to be over prepared. And I also made a list here. So I will write this list out for you as well in the comments. And realistically, you'll only need a couple of these, but I know that I'm going in for a C-section, so I'm gonna be there for a couple days. I know minimally I will be there for 2 days. My surgery date is actually March 27th, which you guys were here. Like, oh my gosh, can you believe it's almost here? But March 27th, which I think is a Wednesday, and then Friday is when I'm expected to be able to go home. So keep that in mind when you are seeing what's in my bag. Again, every mom is different. This is just what I see me needing. You know, I've done this before once, but it's changed and it's been 10 years, girl. But I feel much more prepared. But anyways, hi, my name is Melissa. If you are new here, I would love it if you would subscribe. No pressure, of course. I'm just so thankful you're here and watching. And yeah, if you want to see what is in my diaper bag, then just keep on watching this video. Okay, so the first thing I want you to see, or the first bag I want you to see, is this freaking diaper bag. So when I found this diaper bag, I'm telling you, I just felt this strong need to have it. I would use this as my bag on top of a diaper bag. I just want to show you what it looks like. There's all these amazing compartments. Absolutely in love. It's a backpack, but it also doubles up as a crossbody, but at the same time, it's so freaking cute. I will definitely link them down below. The brand is called HAPP, H-A-P-P. Hat bag, and they have really cute, if you like a traditional over the shoulder type of bag, they also have those. They have a dusty pink color that you will absolutely love if you're having a little girl. But I think that if you are like a fashionable mom and you like to dress up, but you want your bag to like match your outfits, you know, I think this is a good bag for you. But anyway, so there's these two compartments on the side to put bottles and stuff like that, which I will be using when it's actually just a diaper bag, you know, and not an overnight bag for the hospital. This front part, when I first saw it, I thought it was just a flap, you know what I mean? But it actually zips open, which I appreciate. There's two zips to it, and the hardware on this is gold, if you're interested. And this is what it looks like when you open her up. It's fabulous. It has this flap that you can put things inside, and it also has these compartments on the inside, if you can see. Two right here, and then two on the side. In this bag, in the zippy portion up here, I'm not sure if I'm going to be needing this stuff, but obviously, you know, I'd rather be over prepared than under prepared. I brought this little nubby wubby, is that what it's called? It's a little binky. I don't want to give it to him initially because I know they say that you should wait, see if they need it, but whatever. If I need it in the moment, I have it, and yeah, we'll see. And then I have this Philips Avent binky, so just a mouth soother. And I also have these Dr. Brown's No Sucker. I know that they'll have all of these in the hospital, but you know, why not have it? A little comb, a brush, and a nail file. Why not? And then I also packed 3 burp rags, and these are like heavy duty, nice, good ones. I'm hoping 3 will be enough. I know the hospital will supply some goods, but I packed 3 of my own. I also have these newborn diapers, and these are from Pampers, I think they are. They're so cute. And I bought kind of a lot. I brought these, and then these, I just filled it up because you know, babies be pooping and peeing, you never know. And I also am bringing 2 bottles. I do plan on breastfeeding, but if I need to, I will do both. I will supplement, and I'm just really worried about my milk coming in. In the past, I was only able to breastfeed for like 2 weeks just because my supply was, you know, terrible, but I did try for 2 weeks when I was in my 20s. This time I really do want to try. I'm going to be pumping, and my mom was not able to breastfeed because she didn't have enough breast milk. My cousin was not able because she wasn't, so it could just be a hereditary thing. I'm hoping and praying that that won't be the case for me, but yeah, I'm bringing the bottles just in case. And I know that they supply formulas, dependent on what your baby needs or what you are going to do with your baby. I plan on giving little man some Infamil. I'm not sure what type, you know. Baby stomachs are weird. You don't know where you'll start. And yeah, I'm bringing some body lotion just in case. You never know. This is from the Honest Company. It is an ultra calming dreamy lavender. Not sure if I'll use that, but I'll have it. I'm also going to bring a little baby shampoo just in case. I know that they supply these all at the hospital, but you just never know, you know? And also have this Frida Baby Windy the Gasser little thing. Not sure if I'll need that, but I have it. I'm not gonna keep saying that. You guys get the idea. I also bought some Aquaphor healing ointment, advanced therapy for his bum, just in case, and a pack of wipes. And that's all that I have in this bag. And I could have fit all the rest of the items that I'm gonna show you that's in husband's diaper bag, but you know, I just wanted to bring the two just in case he wanted his own little bag, you know, whatever. I sound ridiculous, but you get it. And I also wanted to show you this bag. I got it from Target recently. It's such a great bag as well. It's duo sex, so, you know, the boys or girls could use this. I think it's absolutely adorable. And Chris really likes it, and I know that he'll have no problem holding this. Or if they have like their own little day, you can totally bring this bag and it won't be like, you know. I also have some swaddle blankets in here. I brought 3 of them. These are the 3. And the brand of these are the Aiden by Aiden and Anais. So I've heard so many good things about these blankets. I have a hack for you. They always have them at TJ Maxx, Marshalls. I swear every time I go in there, there's always in there, and they're always way more discounted at those stores rather than going to pick them up at like the official website. Do that, girl. You'll find some amazing things. I also am going to bring little baby glove mittens, but actually the clothes that I have, like his little onesies, have the fold over hands, which I find are much better than the gloves because they fall off. But I will bring a pair of gloves just in case, whatever outfit he's wearing. I brought some baby socks. And I know I brought too many clothes, but I want him to be prepared. You know what I'm saying? I don't want him to be without. So I'll show you what kind of things I grabbed. So I want to bring him home in this little guy. It comes with these little socks. Oh crap. These little socks and this little hat. And I just think it's so adorable. I can't believe he's gonna be wearing this and he's gonna be that freaking tiny. I can't get over it. And then it also comes with this little hat. It's the cutest. And also, I'm sure a lot of you mommies know this, but these little onesies, the ones that come with a button, I think are so cute. Wear them during the day when you have a bunch of energy, but in the middle of the night when they're crying or you're feeding them, you have to change their diaper, they're half awake, half asleep. A zipper is where it's at because it's much easier to zip down, zip up than fool around with buttons when they're kicking in the middle of the night. So I buy a lot of these with zippers on them. And yeah, this little guy is so cute. Most of these little zippies too that I find are from Carter's. And this you guys have actually seen, you saw it in that haul. It has his initials on the front of them, and it's one of those like really long gowns. Yeah, a gown. And it's RPN, so I'll give you guys that. His first name starts with an R. And yeah, and it comes with a little hat and it has his name on it, and he probably won't wear that until we get home, but whatever, you know, I wanted to bring it just in case. And I brought him a lot of these. I remember the twins wearing these a ton, and they're just much easier because you can just, you know, open up the feet, change them, put it back down, and it's a little gown slash blanket. And I also like that the sleeves double up as gloves, which is really hard for them to get out of. They're little squirmy little boogers. One with clouds and buttons on it. I'm sorry if it's like oversaturated. So cute. Got these from Carter's, by the way, recently. They always have such amazing sales, and I made sure to bring a bunch of hats because, you know, cute little hats. This hat, and it goes with this little Eat, Play, Sleep, Repeat onesie. Oh, they're so cute. I swear baby man is gonna be like the most neutral baby ever. And then I also brought this little zipper. I know what you're thinking, this is crazy amount of clothing, but again, you just never know, you never know. And just a couple more. Just this thingy here, you know, just to throw them in it just in case. I just remember the babies, the twins having accidents and stuff, and you never know how long you'll end up staying at the hospital. And then that, And then this little 2-piece. Okay, so maybe I'll probably take a couple of these out because this is totally excessive, and these little pants. And also, don't forget your car seat and the little car seat cover that comes with it. This one's just from Target and it's Milk Snob. You can also use that to cover up when nursing. And I will be bringing for him the BOPPY. So the BOPPY, this BOPPY has this cover on it. I just washed it and it's freshly washed, and I don't want to put it on just yet because I don't want it to get dirty. And again, I found this BOPPY at TJ Maxx. It was so discounted, way more discounted than you can find online, and I was just so happy. You feel so proud of yourself when you find these baby things. Oops, sorry. When you find these baby things in store. But yeah, that completes this video. Feel free to leave me down below any items that I'm missing from his bag. I also have my bag, which I will show you that probably in the next video. I'm like hurrying up trying to film these because I mean, he's literally coming out in weeks. It's blowing my mind. I will link these bags if you are interested down below. I'm absolutely obsessed with both of them. Oh, this is just so freaking cute. And realistically, this bag would fit all of this stuff, but I'm being excessive with how much clothing and blankets I'm bringing, even down the street from the hospital, but a prepared mom feels better. Mommies, please let me know down below if there's anything that I'm missing from this. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'm so freaking excited. I'm so excited that I can share this with you. I appreciate you watching, and I'll see you in my next video. I love you.